Actually, I can eat the crispy chili by itself. It goes very well with white rice.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa is going to show you one of my favorite dish, a very simple Assam fish, but very flavorful. I grew up with it. Okay, so this is take a look at the ingredient. Of course, you need some Assam paste. Yeah, I'm using the Assam puree here. Why I like this type? Because it doesn't have seeds inside. I can straight away scoop out and use. I don't have to sieve anything at all, or mix with any water. No, just straight away put it inside the dish. Okay. And then of course I'll be adding my cooking appa chicken stock powder. For those who are interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia and Singapore. And of course you will need fish. I have a tiger grouper half fish tail here. You can use any kind of fish that you like. And very importantly, we are going to make some crispy chili. So I have few pieces of big chili here, and also few cloves of garlic and shallots. That's all we need. And of course, you need some water lah. Huh? Very simple dish. Right. So first of all, we are going to make the chili paste. Put inside the chili, garlic, and also onion, shallot. Sorry, it's shallot. Now, the tips here is you can add a little bit of water to ease the blending process, but don't add too much, because why? We want to make, if you want to make a crispy chili, then you want it to be flaky. If you want it to be flaky, it cannot blend too fine. Therefore, you can't put in too much water inside. If you put it too much water inside, it will be too fine. Yeah. So I'm going to add in just a little bit of water here, maybe about 2 to 3 tablespoons only. Close the lid. On the power. Right, halfway, you can actually use a spoon to push those on the side wall, push it down. Close the lid again. And like I mentioned, you want it to be flaky. Right, put a bit more oil here, 4 to 5 tablespoons easily to start with. Whenever you are cooking chili, you do need quite a lot of oil, yeah? And as you are bringing up the heat, you can actually put in the blended chili just now. And as you can see clearly, it is still very flaky. And this is exactly the kind of consistency we wanted. You don't have to wait until the temperature come out, then only you add in the chili. Let me adjust the angle for you. Now don't use too high heat. Use a medium or medium high to slowly saute this chili paste for 3 to 5 minutes, or until it is actually crispy. If you find it too dry, feel free to add in a little bit more oil. And if during the blending process you added in too much water, then it will also take longer time to make this crispy chili as well. We don't really have to add too much seasoning to this chili. All you need is actually to add in a bit of salt and a little bit of sugar. That's all. If you like, you can also add in a bit of my cooking appa chicken stock powder. That will give it a lot more, a bit more umami flavor, of course. Why not, right? Let's give it my cooking apart chicken stock powder. All right, keep on saute using medium or medium low, not too hot, until it's become crispy chili. And you need to keep on sauteing, stirring like this. If not, it can actually get burnt. Yeah, keep on stirring and sauteing. Right, this is after approximately 4 to 5 minutes sauteing. You can see it has actually become crispy and dark color has also all become darker. Now I'm going to off the heat and take note because of the oil here, the residual heat will continue cooking the chili paste. See, it is already become crispy. I don't want it to be, don't cook it until too dark because the residual heat of the oil will continue cook even if you stop the temperature, yeah? Our crispy chili is ready. Right, next thing, in another bigger wok, boil one wok of hot water, probably about 1 to 2 small bowl. I'm going to turn it into chicken stock. Add in 1 teaspoon of my cooking apart chicken stock powder. 2 seconds, it becomes chicken stock. And I'm going to add in approximately 1.5 tablespoon of Assam puree that I showed you all just now. I like to use this type of Assam puree, very, very easy to use. You're just going to season this with a bit of salt. And also sugar. Next thing, slowly put in the fish. Sometimes I will actually cook the fish separately, steam it or whatever, or blanch it, up to you. Today I decided to cook it inside the Assam broth itself. No right or wrong, really up to you how you want to do it. This is your kitchen, so do it your way, yeah? There's no rules in Appa's kitchen. Then I'm going to tune it to medium or medium high to cook it for approximately 5 minutes. And we shall come back after this. All right, this is after approximately 5-6 minutes. Just now halfway I did flip the fish over. You can actually notice the meat and the bone has actually somehow separated. That is a sign telling you the fish is cooked. If you are not sure, then you can use something sharp. Try to poke through. If it's a little bit hard to poke through, then it is not fully cooked yet. Then, like this, yeah, I think I will let it cook for another 2 minutes. Sometimes you may wonder, how come certain fish need longer time to cook? Well, one of the reasons is, of course, because of the size and thickness. Another reason could be it is not properly defrosted. If your fish is not properly defrosted, then what will happen is it gets tougher for the heat to really be transmitted inside. Yeah, so try to make sure your fish is properly defrost before you start cooking. Right, this is another 2-3 minutes. Total cooking time for the fish is probably about 8 minutes for this one. It should be fully cooked by now. I'm going to move the fish over to a serving plate. Then we can adjust to taste. Let me see. not sourish enough, I'll be adding more Assam puree. And also it is not salty enough, where I'm going to add in a little bit more, a few dashes of fish sauce. Or you can add in some salt also, no problem. Here's the fish. Here's the Assam broth. Oh. And not forgetting our crispy chili. Actually, I can eat the crispy chili by itself. It goes very well with white rice. All right. My very simple but very flavorful Assam fish is ready. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.